How powdered juice is made. Amazing industrial process of powdered juice manufacturing. Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered how your favorite fruity drink goes from fresh, juicy fruits to that magical powder you just mix with water? Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey inside the world of powdered juice factories where science, technology, and nature come together to create the drinks we love. From selecting the juiciest fruits to turning liquid juice into fine, colorful powder, the process is nothing short of amazing. And trust me, the final step will leave you completely amazed. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's explore the amazing industrial process of powdered juice manufacturing. Number 10. Selecting the best fruits. Carefully choosing the best fruits is the first step in the process. Perfectly ripe, luscious, and flawless fruits are the only ones that qualify. Imagine strolling among mountains of hand-selected oranges, mangoes, apples, and strawberries, each chosen for its color, sweetness, and perfume. The fruits are carefully cleaned after selection to get rid of contaminants, dust, and pesticides. Although it might seem easy, this step is crucial since it guarantees that the juice will have the best nutritional value and freshest flavor. In a way, the powdered juice's quality is decided before it even leaves the farm. Number 9. Juice extraction. After being chosen, the fruits are sliced and fed into presses or industrial juicers. Juice is effectively separated from pulp, skin, and seeds by these devices. To produce a smooth, homogeneous juice, some facilities even employ centrifuges to eliminate fine particulates. The taste and texture of the finished powder can be impacted by any leftover solids, which makes this step essential. Now that the juice has been drained, it is still far from the familiar powdered form. At this point, meticulous preparation lays the groundwork for the miraculous transformation of liquid into powder. Number 8. Concentrating the juice. The juice is concentrated to get rid of extra water before drying. The juice is gently heated in large evaporator tanks, which evaporate water while retaining the juice's original color, flavor, and nutrients. 1 teaspoon of powdered juice has a flavor that is strikingly similar to fresh fruit since concentration enhances flavor. Did you know that after rehydrated, 1 liter of concentrated juice can generate up to 10 liters of drink? This method not only improves flavor, but also lowers storage and transit volume, which helps firms process large quantities of fruit more quickly. Number 7. Spray drying, capturing flavor in midair. Spray drying is the primary technique for powdering concentrated juice, and it's a real show. Tiny droplets of the juice concentrate are sprayed into a heated chamber where the water quickly evaporates, leaving behind fine powder. The temperature is carefully regulated. If it is too hot, the flavor may be lost, and if it is too cold, the powder will not form correctly. Spray drying effectively captures the essence of fruit in midair while maintaining the fruit's original flavor, aroma, and nutrients. It's fascinating to watch powdered juice fall in a factory like snow, but it's also evidence of contemporary food technology. Number 6. Freeze-drying sci-fi technology. Freeze-drying is another sophisticated technique, particularly for high-end powdered liquids. Here, the juice is frozen and put in a vacuum chamber, where sublimation causes the ice to instantly convert into vapor. Freeze-drying keeps nearly all vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and the fruit's original color, in contrast to traditional drying. Fresh juice's flavor and nutritional composition can be preserved with this technique. Freeze-drying is a true industrial process that properly captures the essence of fruit in powder form, despite the fact that it sounds like something from a science fiction film. Number 5. Natural colors and nutrients. The vivid hue of powdered juice is one of its most intriguing features. The vivid reds, oranges, and yellows of powdered juice originate naturally from the fruit itself, in contrast to many processed meals. The fruit's natural hues, which frequently contain antioxidants, are preserved during the drying process, making the powder both enticing and nourishing. For instance, mango powder glows a deep orange, while strawberry powder keeps its vivid red color. These organic hues indicate that the nutritious components are still present, providing you with flavor and health advantages with each drink. Number 4. Precision in flavor testing. Every batch of powdered juice undergoes rigorous quality control. Flavor experts, sometimes called taste chemists, test the sweetness, acidity, and aroma of the powder. Even minor variations in drying temperature, humidity, or concentration can alter the flavor significantly. These experts ensure that each packet of powdered juice tastes consistent, fresh, and vibrant. It's fascinating to realize that making powdered juice isn't just mechanical, it's a blend of science, precision, and culinary art, carefully tuned to recreate the perfect fruit experience every time. Number 3. Anti-caking agents, the secret to smooth powder. Every batch of powdered juice is subject to stringent quality monitoring. Taste chemists, sometimes referred to as taste specialists, assess the powder's acidity, sweetness, and aroma. Even slight variations in concentration, humidity, or drying temperature can have a significant impact on flavor. These experts ensure that the flavor of each packet of powdered juice is bright, fresh, and consistent. It's fascinating to discover that making powdered juice involves a combination of accuracy, science, and culinary art that is painstakingly calibrated to reliably mimic the perfect fruit experience. 2. Global importance and uses. Powdered juice isn't just a convenience, it's essential in many parts of the world. Its lightweight, shelf-stable, and nutrient-rich qualities make it ideal for emergency food supplies, military rations, and astronaut meals. In disaster zones or remote locations where fresh fruit is unavailable, powdered juice provides hydration, calories, and vitamins. Essentially, what seems like a simple drink at home is actually a key part of global food technology, helping people survive and stay healthy in challenging environments. Number 1. From farm to glass in days. It's amazing how quickly powdered juice can be produced. Fruit can be harvested, juiced, concentrated, dried, tested, and packaged in some industrial operations within 48 hours. Freshness, flavor, and nutrients that would otherwise deteriorate are preserved by this quick processing. It's similar to bottling the summer harvest and having it available all year round when you make a glass of powdered juice at home. You're experiencing a product that underwent a meticulously managed trip from tree to cup in a matter of days. So the next time you mix powdered juice in a glass, remember the incredible journey behind it. From carefully selected fruits to concentrated juice, to the mesmerizing drying process, and finally, to your refreshing drink. It's a perfect blend of nature, science, and technology. If you enjoyed this inside look into powdered juice, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing industrial process videos.